Welcome family, it's the Velvet Locks with another wonderful detox soup video for you today. Today we're going to be making a nice broccoli soup. Okay, now these are the ingredients that you're going to need. We're going to speak a little bit more about the ingredients in a little while. Alright, so we're going to start this video right now. So for this recipe, you're going to need a pan. Alright, to start it off, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of our organic coconut oil. Okay, you can use any type of coconut oil, but I'm going to be using my Crisco organic coconut oil. And this recipe calls for 2 tablespoons. Now before we get into that, let me just break down the actual ingredients. While the pan is heating, we're going to be talking a little bit about these ingredients. We're going to be using a cup of freshly washed broccoli. We're going to be also using 2 carrots sliced and rounded. We're going to also be using 2 cups of our organic vegetable broth. We're also going to be using 1 cup of our kale. Okay, 1 cup of kale. Matter of fact, the broccoli is 2.5 cups of broccoli. Now we're also going to be using 3 ribeyes of the celery. We're also going to be using 1/2 juice of lemon. We also have a 1/2 teaspoon of our kosher salt, 1 medium onion, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Okay, when your pan is heating, now we're going to add in our coconut oil. Alright, so you're going to put in your 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now don't let your flame be on too high. Now I'm not used to making soup in a pan, but this recipe requires it in a pan. Next we're just going to add in our 1 medium onion. We're also going to be adding in our 3 stalks of celery. And also our 2.5 cups of broccoli. Now you can chop your broccoli up a little more than that. Alright, so we got our ingredients in there. Now what we're going to do is just cook this for 5 minutes. So now we're going to turn our flame down to low. And we're going to pour in our stock. Okay, we're going to pour in our vegetable juice, or vegetable broth. Okay. Now we're going to put in all of our other ingredients. Okay, we're going to put in our lemon juice of our 1/2 squeezed lemon. We're also going to add in our 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, we're also going to throw in our carrots. And our kale. Okay, 1 cup of kale, or you can also add in spinach instead of the kale if you choose to use that. Okay, and you can add in some other ingredients if you want. You can add in your black pepper. Okay, I'm going to throw in some black pepper in mine. If anything, just a little tablespoon of black pepper. Okay, if you want to put in a little garlic powder, a little flavoring, you can, but the less the better now, remember that. Alright, and now what we're going to do is just cover and simmer until it thickens. This is good. Very flavorful. But you know what it's missing? It's missing a little kick. So I'm going to put a little spice to this. Oh yes. I got to put a little something. And there it is, you guys, all finished. So now I'm going to put it in my bowl and get ready to eat my lunch. Okay, you guys, so that's it. That's this wonderful broccoli detox soup, and it is delicious. Okay, and today I'm having it with my green tea and lemon juice. Okay, and I have my green tea steeping in the infuser. But yes, you guys, this is a wonderful healthy detox soup that is going to help you to slim down as well as lose weight. And you will enjoy this. It's delicious. And let me know how you enjoyed this wonderful broccoli detox soup, and let me know down below how you enjoyed it. Okay, bon appetit, you guys. Stay tuned for another cooking it up recipe. I will see you then. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all. Okay, you will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.